fellow scientists. This is Experiment 3, 9D, Dragons. These magical beings are found in global cultures with diverse depictions. In the West, they're portrayed as winged, horned, fire-breathing creatures since the High Middle Ages. In the East, they're typically described as wingless, highly intelligent, four-legged serpents. We'll now transform 25 animals into amazing dragons. Number 1. Ram Dragon. Number 2. Whale Dragon. Number 3. Monkey Dragon. Hey, new scientist, don't forget to subscribe. Number 4. Tiger Dragon. Number 5. Lion Dragon. Number 6. Crocodile Dragon. Number 7. Red Panda Dragon. Number 8. Chicken Dragon. Number 9. Frog Dragon. Number 10. Gibbon Dragon. Number 11. Panda Dragon. Are you liking it? Don't forget to hit the like button. Number 12. Peacock Dragon. Number 13. Cat Dragon. Number 14. Wasp Dragon. Number 15. Wolf Dragon. Number 16. Moose Dragon. Number 17. Armadillo Dragon. Number 18. Rat Dragon. Number 19. Shark Dragon. Number 20. Dog Dragon. Number 21. Kangaroo Dragon. Number 22. Ostrich Dragon. Number 23. Rabbit Dragon. Number 24. Elephant dragon. Number 25. Cow dragon. Which one is your favorite? Leave your choice in the comments. Here are 2 other experiments that will blow your mind. Please like and subscribe for more.